Hello, welcome back to my tutorial for Snake game on Java. Right, and let's continue. So for the last video, we learned about increase the snake to be longer after we eat a fruit. Okay, so for now, in this video, I will detect every time the snake get collision with the border of the board. Alright, so to do that, we go to the snake game and go to the update snake here. Alright, sorry. So here I will return the type here instead of the void, and then I will create a new method with the void and the name by update game, and in here I will call update snake. So in the start game, in update snake here, I will call the update game instead. Alright, so for the update snake, now we will return the tile type. So the idea here for the update snake, I will detect if the snake get collision with the border or the snake body. We will return a tile type with the snake body, and the other hand maybe equal the tile equal no, so the game is continue run. Alright, so for here, right, for head tile here, I'll return the head tile. Maybe the head tile here, I need to change the name to for fit this case, because we return the head title and it's very special for a thing, so need to change it. Maybe I will change the I will change the name to similar with the my old project. I link in the description, so you can easy to compare the code. Alright, so it will be old. So because I use old here, so I need to change it to head and origin. Alright, so put it here, and here I will use O and use O for here and for here. Alright, set old. There's something wrong here. Origin, right, and here older. So what's wrong with here? Head tile. Alright, so here I use head original and O for head original, and here I use here I use the old, yes, O original. Okay, so here I use the old. Alright, okay. So every time order what's wrong here? Tile type, get tile and new tile. I'm sorry. Alright, so for return type, so you can see here we get a tile for O, the name O. So the O, we get a tile on the board with the head. Alright, so the first time we see the head, if the head is fruit, we will right, so if it not a fruit, we will remove the last and then we set the tail equal null. So the size of the snake is nothing changed. Alright, so and then the snake, I will add the first at first. It means we can use push, so it can easy to understand. Okay, so add the new head here. So because I create a new point with the head original, so we can put the new head here. For the new head here, I need to check something. If the out not the tile snake body. So if it's not a snake body, I will put a new head. If not, I will not do anything. Alright. So for the border, so here we use for the snake body. Alright, so I run it, so you can see. Alright, you can see if I use snake body here, the snake head is no longer moving, and we can use it for the border. I will pretend the border, every time we get collision with the border, I will return the tile is the snake body, so we can stop it the snake head. Alright, it's very easy. So use the condition if head is less than the 0 and or head is greater than both panel column count, or head y less than 0, or the last one head y greater than both panel row count. Alright, head. If anything, if any collision reach through, we will return right here by the tile snake body. Alright, so we run it. Alright, so the snake is stopping, and we can now we need to show something to the screen. Maybe game over, right? So to do that, I will go to the update game here. So before that, I will declare some variable name is game over, go false for default. When the first time we go the game, it's set to Yes, obviously each game over is fun for the first time we go to the game. Alright, so for here I will get the tile equal every time we update the snake game, and then I will check if the tile. So in the original source project you can see the tile with the name is collision. So here I done a little different, but it's the same, so don't worry about the different name. You just see the idea I show you. Alright, so if the tile equal the tile foot, I will show in the log that we get some score. Maybe in this tutorial I not show you the all of this project because I think to checking the game by checking score or checking something else is very easy. So I think I will share that job to you so you can do more something in this project after I finish this. Alright, so if the tile equal tile type snake body, I will set the game over equal true. Right, so is the game over is full. And let's go back to the right, we will go back. Alright, we see something. So after we detect that the game is over, we will draw something on the port panel. So for this variable, maybe we can use public for prefix after the definition, but I recommend that we need to write a method that return the game over. So this relative with the encapsulation in Java programming. Sorry. So this said that yes, it says that we need to write a setter and getter for every variable in a class, right? We shouldn't use the public for the variable like this, right? But we need to write a method like it, especially this is a getter. Alright, you can Google search and see that concept. Alright, so let's continue. I will return his game over here and go to the port panel. In the drawer in the pane here, I will check if the game is over. Sorry, it is game over. I will set the color black. You can go to the original shot and see some font and the side of the font, and you can copy to this. For this for this case I don't do that because this is very easy to copy and write. So you can see my tutorial, the text maybe smaller than the original, so don't worry about that because it's very easy, trust me. Alright, so now here I will draw draw a string and put here the text game is over, and then I will assign the coordination of the text. Maybe if from the 54s and 200 for y. Alright, and let's run it to see the result. Alright, you can see here the game is over, a pen in the here. So we need to check to white to easy to see it and change here to 100. Alright, so let's see the game over text appearing on the screen. It's very small. Alright, and if we go to snake game and fix something, the clock I will change to 9 for speed up the snake. And now alright, so after we eat the fruit is no longer appear, so we need to set for the snake. And so because we reply the update, so in the update game I will change something that make the fruit reappear after the snake is dead. Right, so in the update game here we get some score here, and also we will store the fruit. Alright, and let's run it again. Alright, perfect. So game over. Alright, so now we will do something that make the game continue to run. So let me note it that in the tutorial I will show you something basic, and so in the original video in the original short code you can see something like score and something like some information that implement in the game, some text and game pause and something like that. But in this video I just show you something basic, so you can from that you can implement by yourself the feature of the game, like pause game and score and many things. But the method I will show you how to do that, and how to understand the thing I can show you. Alright, so now we maybe alright, we will replay the game after we get the game over. Right, to do that we need to we just call reset game and set the game over equal false again, and the game is will run again, will replay again. Alright, so we go to the constructor, weighted constructor. Alright, here we will write more detect here. So we would set the VK enter and check here if there is game over. If game is over, we will reset the game, right? And then set the set the is game over equal false, and let's run it. So we enter again, and enter again for the last time. Alright, so from here maybe you can add more the right side panel here, and write and draw some text here for the score and for something you want. So maybe I will show you how to do that a little before we finish this tutorial. So to do that, I will go to Snake Game. Snake Game is a Z-frame, so you can see the board here. I add the board to the game in center, and then further. Alright, I will new a class, call it that the side panel for the panel that show you some information in the game. And for here, we'll just create a constructor, and I will not do something in this class. I just show the panel so you can make it after the video. Alright, so here I will set the set the side preference, set preferred side. I'm sorry. Alright. Oh, set sorry, I forgot to extend the J-frame. I'm sorry, say panel. So the method is no longer appear. So now we set the preferred side, new dimension, with the 100, and the side of the board panel with the cow column, sorry, not row column, and plus the board panel side, tile side. Alright, dimension, and alright, sorry, I will cast to integer for this expression. Right, dimension, oh, I'm sorry, dimension. Alright, import here and I will. So to draw something here, you need to define a method pen. Sorry, not define, we just override the method because the method is already in the panel JPanel and the parent view of the JPanel. So just override that method. In the method here, I will just super and call pen, and then I will fill a rect. Not to do that, we just go to the constructor and just set the background for the side panel by the color with red. Alright, and let's go back to the snake game and then create a variable that side panel, and let's go for here. After we add the board, we will assign a new side panel object for the side panel, and then I will add the side panel and the position is est. Alright, and let's run it again. So you can see it, we just added the additional 5 side panel in the right of the game screen. Right, so you want to do something, you want to write something, you want to draw something on this board, it's very easy. It's like you draw something on the snake board, right? So for the end of the video, I want to thank you that you guys saw my video, and don't forget to hit the button subscribe below, and if you like this video, please like this video, and see you next time for the new tutorial. Bye bye.